Hey folks, Troy here, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how it's possible to increase your email open rates, your email engagement with AI, and I'm going to share my own personal results. I'm going to highlight certain things in here, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit more about this opportunity and program. So, I don't know when it is that you're watching this video, but as of this morning, 9/28/25, I currently have 105 leads. I currently have 59 signups. A conversion rate, this is huge, 56.19%. I don't know anyone that can come close to getting conversion rates that high as far as using email providers like Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp. They don't even come close. Total replies sent 412. Total conversations 371, and total earnings $2,050. And I have only been using this system roughly for about 6 weeks now. So, income disclaimer, like any other marketing or business opportunity, there are no guarantees of earnings. Your earnings are based on your own personal efforts and work ethic. But I think that is incredibly powerful. Not to mention, you're able to promote multiple opportunities, whatever it is that you're currently involved in. So the opportunity that we're talking about is Simple Commissions and Mailbot. And if what I share in the next couple of minutes, you get a lot of value from, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I welcome you to do that if you haven't done so already. But this AI email assistant pays you $100 instantly while effortlessly promoting multiple offers. So you get to automate lead follow-ups, sales conversations, and instant $100 payouts all in one powerful AI-driven email funnel. Now, the income that I shared with you was just from using this program. I haven't even mentioned the couple of thousands of dollars that I've earned for my business opportunities that I'm currently involved in. So you can imagine the power behind this, and why this is so relevant is because a lot of people struggle with email marketing. Look, if you've been in the industry, make money online niche, work from home niche, anything more than 30 days, you've probably heard the money is in the list, right? The money is in the list, your email follow up. And if you are not getting a higher email open rate, averages are about 4%, 5%. If you're not getting that, if you're struggling to get people not only to open up your emails, but to read them, as well as click on your network marketing, affiliate marketing links, this is a real game changer, and even if you are a consultant of some sort, you can't really beat the results and the statistics that I just shared with you. So you avoid the learning curve. The way this works is Simple Commissions is the program, Mailbot is the actual product, and this system sends out emails on your behalf promoting up to 3 different business opportunities that you currently have, and it creates the content. So it's creating your subject line, it's creating your content, it's creating your call to action without you having to do so. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do when you get access to this page is you're going to want to watch this quick 3-minute video overview. And most important, you're going to want to come down here and click this button so that you could actually send my MailBot email an email, and in that email, it's going to tell you everything it is that you're going to need to know in order to use this platform. So to get access to this, all you need to do is below this video in the description, go there. That's where you're going to find out how you can get your own free demo. And if you're ready to start earning unlimited $100 commissions while promoting your offers and being able to do it in seconds, not taking up 15, 20 minutes every day trying to craft what you think is the perfect email, this thing is highly intuitive and it absolutely works. Once again, I'm Troy. Check out the information in the description. Drop me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have an amazing day. Take care.